Hi, I'm Adam Griffith, and this is the 2019 Ford Edge Titanium. The exterior updates on the Edge Titanium include an updated grille, LED fog lamps, and LED headlamps with auto high beams. Technology upgrades include the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, rear-view camera, and a lane-keeping system. The interior has a wireless charging pad for your smartphone, and also updated is the low-profile rotary gear shift dial. Ford didn't skip on engine performance in the Edge. With the 2.0 EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine and 8-speed automatic transmission, you'll have 250 horsepower and 280 pounds per square feet of torque. To learn more about the 2019 Ford Edge, stop by Eide Ford or visit us online at eideford.com. Eide Ford, time-saving, hassle-free, fair price.